Okay, guys, now we can bring the demand forces and the supply forces together. Okay, we can try to interact them now. We are going to talk about market equilibrium. Let me say that once again, guys. Market equilibrium. It occurs when the quantity demanded equals to the quantity supplied. QD equal to QS. Where QD is equal to QS, we've got Q star. We've got our equilibrium quantity, the Q star. The Q star is going to happen when you have got your equilibrium price. The price at which the quantity demanded equals to the quantity supplied. At P star, we have Q star. What is Q star? The QD is equal to the QS. Let's talk about this in our figure here. So you got your demand curve, you got your supply curve. Alright, guys? See, there's a point of intersection between the two. That's your equilibrium point. That's your equilibrium point. Market equilibrium occurs at the intersection of the demand curve and the supply curve. So, the equilibrium price is $1 a bottle. See, at $1 per bottle, you see my pointer here? At $1 per bottle, QD will be 10, yes? QS will also be 10. Demand meets supply. Quantity demanded meets quantity supplied. So the equilibrium quantity is 10 million bottles per day. If you don't like to say the word equilibrium, guys, I'm happy for you to say the market price is $1, the market quantity is 10. But if you want to be cool, say equilibrium. Right? But you know what I mean by market equilibrium. So now the next question is, you sure, Tommy? In practical situation, we will get into the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity? So let's try to answer that. Getting to market equilibrium. Price, a market's automatic regulator. The law of market forces. You know, guys, when something is in a shortage, when there's a shortage of something, what do you expect to happen to the price of the product? Go up, right? When there's a surplus, too many goods in the market, but not enough quantity being demanded by consumers, price got to drop. Alright? Shortage is the quantity demanded exceeding quantity supplied. Alright? Shortage. Quantity demanded is more than quantity supplied. Excess demand. Surplus. Quantity supplied exceeds the quantity demanded. Excess supply. Okay, before I go on any further, guys, you see, guys, when something is too cheap, what do you think is going to happen? Shortage or surplus? Shortage, all right? Okay, hang on. Let's think about that again. When something is too cheap, what is going to happen, guys? When the price is too low, you will have a shortage, right? Quantity demanded is more than the quantity supplied. When the price is too high, quantity supplied will be more than quantity demanded. Okay, let's formalize what we just discussed just now in the context of our figures here. What should be the equilibrium price, guys? What should be the equilibrium price or the market price? Look at the intersection between D and S. Yeah, should be at $1, right? But suppose price is at $1.50. Okay. See, at $1.50, quantity demanded is 9. Quantity supplied is 11. That makes sense, guys? The price is too high. So from the consumer's perspective, we are not demanding that many quantity. Price is too high. Okay? But from the point of view of the suppliers, they are trying to supply that many quantity. They are happy. The price is high. They are trying to sell that many quantity, right? Okay. So again, quantity supplied is exceeding quantity demanded. When the price is too high, we call that surplus. In this case, we have a surplus of what, guys? Surplus of 2 millions, right? 11 minus 9. So what's got to happen here? What's got to happen here? Okay, when there is a surplus, market will adjust. Price has got to drop. Dropping to where? Dropping to the equilibrium price. $1. Then at $1, what is going to happen, guys? When price drops, quantity demanded will increase, quantity supplied will decrease, then we are in agreement. QD is equal to QS, which is at 10. So, okay. Interesting, isn't it? Okay. It's amazing how economists can capture what is going on in the real world using graph, guys. Okay? I find it very exciting. How about this, guys? You know, I'm just going to talk about the other side of the coin. All right? At 70 cents a bottle, the price is too cheap. Ooh, consumers are wanting that many quantity. 11. Price is cheap. But supply is not too happy about that. They're only willing to supply 9. So what do we have here? Shortage. When there's a shortage, market will adjust. What is the adjustment? Price got to go up until the shortage is going to be eliminated and the market is in equilibrium. Oops, let's go back to this again. So there you go. That's how we get into the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. I hope it's not too hard, guys. Interesting, right? I'll see you in the next part of the recording.